If you have a business running on TikTok or you're hoping to start one anytime soon, this video is for you. Just watch this guy. I'll be with you soon.
Did you know you can create a TikTok business account directly without ever having a personal account and without even using the TikTok app? This is the approach serious-minded business owners use that most people are not aware of. They waste time creating a personal profile first, then struggle to switch, only to get stuck with the new business verification requirement that TikTok now forces on everyone. Well, in this video, my friend will be showing you the smartest way to create your TikTok business account directly from the beginning without the TikTok app. This method is cleaner, faster, and gives you higher chances of having more success.
Yeah, I had to stop him there, but he was saying that it gives you more chances of succeeding when you are running ads on TikTok. Okay, so now I want to show you how to create a business account directly from the website, not using the app at all. You don't need the app to create this, to do this. Meanwhile, you can as well use your browser on your phone to get this done, right? But I'm using a laptop. Okay, so this is TikTok Ads Manager website. Okay, that's ads.tiktok.com. But at this point in time, we are not running ad. We want to create a business TikTok account. Okay, remember that is the personal account and there is the business account. So we want to create this account. We don't want to go to maybe our app and then try to switch our personal account into a business account. So I want to walk you through how it's done. So once you come to ads.tiktok.com, the platform will show like this. Then come to this place where it says create. Now if you look this side, let me click on it. If you look this side, you will now see Ads Manager, which I said we are not doing now. Then you see business account. Most people confuse these to business Ads Manager, but that's not. It means business account, just what it says here. Okay, the same that you can switch from personal to, right, using the app. Then you see business center. This one has to do with ads, right? Then you see TikTok shop, right? But here is where we'll have to click. So just click on it. So here it tells you TikTok business account, unlock performance insight, creative tools, and exclusive account features you need to grow your business. Learn how to do all of those with a TikTok business account. Now, it's important to understand what is happening here. If you go to your app and you want to switch a personal account to a business account, it works. Especially if you also have the document for the verification, it's easy. In case you don't have the document for the verification, have a training on how to get that done in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so I will leave the link to that training in the description of this video. Okay, so if you go through that route, you get a business account at the end of the day. But the truth remains that the algorithm will start to reprogram itself to adjust to this new account now, from personal to business, and that's a lot of work on the algorithm. But if you go straight to create a business account, it means that from the day one of that account, the algorithm knows this account to be a business account, and then it makes it easy for you to succeed using the business tools and other things like running ad with that account. Okay, so I want to show you how to go about creating a business account. Like we already said, the step one is to visit ads.tiktok.com, right, which is where we are, and then we went to this create button, right, click on it, and then we came to business account. The next thing now is to click here, get started. You can as well click here. Okay, but let's use this one here, get started. So it brings us to this interface. Now here is asking you to log in. Okay, but I want to assume that we don't have a business account yet. So what do? We go to sign up. So click on sign up down here. And so it presents you with these options. You can sign up with your phone or email, right? That's phone number or email address. You can as well sign in with your Facebook account. You can as well sign in with Google. I want us to go with Google, so I will click on Google. So I want to use an email I have never used on TikTok before, right? So that's what you've got to do, because if you want to use an email that you already use on TikTok, it's not going to work. Okay, so let me assume that this particular email has not been used on TikTok before. Sorry. Okay, so let's see. So I'll have to enter my password. Then next. Okay, so I continue with continue. Remember, I told you that you can do this on your mobile phone, right? Okay, so to continue with the sign up, we have to enter our dead day, which I'm going to do quickly. I'll just select, let's get to maybe, let's go to 2000, something that you can always remember. Okay, then next. So select two elements that are the same. In this case, they are R. Yeah, R. Confirm. Okay, so it's asking for a username, but we can skip this part for now. So I'll just skip. All right, so he has welcomed us into our TikTok business account. He said, build trust on TikTok, submit document. So here we're going to submit our document. Can you now see how that this is different from what you used to get on the app? Okay. So what I'll do here now is to go through the process of verification. Okay. But the most important thing is that we created this business account from the scratch, right? So if I want to go for verification, I'll just come here and click on this and then get started. I told you I'm going to be dropping the link to verifying your business account in less than 10 minutes. The link will be in the description of this video. Okay, so I will go ahead and fill this form, then submit all the required documents for the verification. So address is being demanded for. I'll put Nigeria here. Okay, then come to company website, optional, so let's keep that. Then industry, here you select not applicable. That's what to select. Okay, so now I'm going to be uploading my business documents here, right? Once I upload it, I will come here and put my business name, and then I'll go here to add the document number, then submit for the verification. Okay. Okay, so we've uploaded all the necessary documents, added a business name, added a business license number, right? But there's a challenge. We can't submit this here. This website is not yet opening well for verification, right? If you check up here, you see that we added Nigeria, but you can't see it again. So let me add it again. If you finish adding it, it doesn't show. Okay, if you now want to submit, you see it does not submit. Okay, so this is the error is showing. So what will happen is that I'm going to be logging into the app, all right, just for the sake of verification. When done with the verification, we'll come here again and refresh. So you see that we have fully verified our account and now we have access. Okay, so I'm going to the app to do that, and then we'll return here like I said. All right, I've just gotten a notification that the verification has been approved. Okay, so like I told you, I'm going to refresh here. Let's refresh it. Can you see business tools unlocked? Okay, that's because our business account has been verified. Okay, so here now is asking us to get started with all these tools. So I'll just click here, get started, and we can go ahead to do other setup. Can you see verify your business? Good to go, right? So we have already verified the business. So if you look here, you see those documents like I told you earlier, right? The name and everything as we had it earlier in the upload. Okay, so from here you can see the various options we have here. You see overview, you see audience, you see video, right? At the moment it's on verification. Okay, if you move away from here and come to this place, click on label, and you see here you can open labels like you have it on WhatsApp, right? You can create labels for your customers. All right, for instance, this one is new customer. You can click here to edit it. Okay, you can as well click to delete. This one is urgent, so you can go ahead and set up this area of your account so that you can utilize the tool, right? This is TikTok for business. Here we click here when we want to go to run ad. Okay, so here is lead manager. So you see information here when you must have set up your lead form. Okay, so as people fill that form, you'll be seeing the details dropping here. If you want to follow them up, you can as well follow them up, right? So here is the video. We don't have any video at the moment, right? This is a new account. Your audience, we don't have any at the moment, right? Overview, that's the account overview. Okay, so this is a new account. There's nothing here now. Okay, so go ahead and do the necessary setup you need to do. You can as well at this point in time get into the app, or rather access this business account through the app. What matters, like I told you earlier, is that we've created this business account from the scratch. Okay, it's not like we had a personal account and then switched to business account. No, it started as a business account and the algorithm has picked that and is going to work with it to help our business to stand out when we start making our posts. Okay, and your videos will as well be well channeled to the right audience. And then if you go ahead to run ad with this account with a proper knowledge of how TikTok Ads Manager works, then your success will be on another level. If you have not gotten the training on how to run ads on TikTok Ads Manager, we have the best training on how to run ad on TikTok Ads Manager. It's called TikTok Ads Medicine, right? I'll also be dropping the link in the description of this video. So go ahead and get that training, and then combine with what you've learned, your success will be on another level. One more thing, please don't begin to run ad immediately after setting up this account. What you need to do first is to start posting, okay? Make it natural, right? For the first few days, let's say between 3 to 5 days, keep posting morning, afternoon, night, as much as you can. Make posts, but those should be quality posts, and let it be consistent with your business, okay? Don't also be trying to follow people around. With that, you wouldn't know why people are following you, because you give the people the impression that, okay, if they follow you, you follow them. That's not what you are here for. You are here for business, and like I do say, your business page should be like a celebrity page, okay? So you shouldn't be following people. That's not what you came here to do. What you came here to do is to give people the content that they want to be addicted with, okay? So keep posting your content, and people who like your content will connect with you. Don't bother following them, they will stay, because this is what brought them here. So keep posting that thing that brought them, right? And then keep growing your account. So do that for the next few days, right, before you think of trying to run ad with this account. Okay, I hope you've gotten enough update from this video. All right, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, do hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next interesting updates. Okay, so I will see you in the next update.